Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I made this Valorant Parallax animation in Figma. Let's get started. Before building the interaction, I defined a simple design system to keep everything consistent. So we will take the MacBook 16 Pro frame around its radius and add the image from our design system and place it inside the frame and we'll adjust it. Now I'll add text and CTA button to the frame, and this is how we will complete a hero section. Press Ctrl and drag the frame down, make the fill to black. Then we will add a main content to the design, which are the Valorant characters. Add it in the frame and adjust it. In the end, we will add a Valorant logo which will give the cool animation. Now select the text, press shift and bring it out of the frame. Do the same for all characters and texts. Duplicate the frame, take it to the left side, select all the text, take it down like this for a smooth animation. Then again, select all the text and reduce its opacity to 0. Add a black fill layer on image. Now duplicate the frame, select everything, press shift and take it up. Then select the text which was out of the frame, press shift, bring it inside, do the same with all characters and texts. Now let's add interaction to our design. Select the first frame, set it to after delay, delay 1 millisecond, smart animate, duration 2000, custom brazier. Copy this code and use it. Add interaction to all the frames. Trigger will be on click. Now for the last frame, use a different code and connect it. In the end, we will adjust our background image. You can adjust the image as you want. This adjustment will give our design a good animation effect. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel and comment down on which topic you want the next video. Thanks for watching.